Okay, so in this video, we are going to add a basic file to our tool, to our class assignment 01 as an example. We're going to create an HTML file because JavaScript files, pretty much for the most part, we're going to use within an HTML file for our purposes. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to, if you remember, we created this, we have class assignment 01. I'm going to go ahead and create a new file. And I'm going to call that new file index.html. Now, if you remember from your either PBDS 501 course or from whatever class you've taken or HTML experience you have from before, index.html means that the file is going to be the thing that loads when a web server serves up its directory. And that means that if I put this folder class assignment 01 onto a web server, whatever's in this index.html file will show up when I go to that as a web address. And we'll talk more about that in just a second. Okay, so I now have my index.html page. This is it right here. It's totally blank. That is okay. I'm going to very quickly copy and paste in some code for a basic HTML page. Okay, so let's paste that in. So here is my basic HTML page. I'm going to save it. Because it has a round circle on it that I know that it wasn't saved. I'm going to hit save. And so there it is. So if I just type something into the body here, and I save that, boom, it now is there. So let's stop here and talk about what happens next. Well, so what we'll need to do is we'll need to add some JavaScript to it. Again, this is just an example of how I work with the environment. We would add some JavaScript. We would then upload it to our web server, and we will go from there. So in the next video, we'll take a look at how to add JavaScript to an HTML page, where it needs to go, and then what to look for so that when you're coding it, you know exactly this is where it should be. And then in a following video, I'll show you how to upload it to our web servers that we use at the University of Baltimore.